and a recipe of normal sausage. After mixing, it goes to the filling machine. Right here, it's doing the filling of the casing.
Eno ye Magala TV, okumanya we kutandikira.
So this is our line for the sausage making and the bangala practice. We have a mixer, the first so we do the mixing. After mixing, the mixing. Mixing, what we mean by mixing? We mix the mixed meat with the ingredients which we are adding, depending on the recipe. As we have already told you, we have two recipes. We have a recipe of spicy sausages and a recipe of normal sausages. After mixing, it goes to the filling machine. Right here, it's doing the filling of the casing. And after filling the casing, we have ladies who have the experience of rolling the sausages to the required weight. Yes. We have different weights. We have a weight of 300 grams, 300 grams, and 600 grams. After packing, we have a special machine which does the packing. You see. Ivan, can you come and put the stickers? Let me concentrate on this. This one is 600 grams. Okay. This is not smoked. This is fresh, not smoked. Yeah. Then we have sausages. This is a spicy recipe, 300 grams and 600 grams. Then we have normal sausages also, 300 grams and 600 grams. We call it fillet preparation room. What takes place here is preparing the fillets for blast chilling or blast freezing, depending on the order. If it is a chilled product, we will blast chill. If it is a frozen product, we will blast freeze.
Before you continue, what is blast filling? What
Yeah, you'll see what exactly takes place in the blast chiller and blast freeze. Ready for the market for those ones interested in call what packages. Okay. This is the whole smoke. Right here we have fillets, smoked fillets, ready for the market. Yeah, smoked fillets. Yeah. Okay. Then we have already seen the pre-packs of different products, but you might be interested in big quantities of powder. We have drums. Yeah, here you are. Look at the drums. Which one is how many kilos?
We are available there. Mostly for 30 kgs.
30 kgs, yes. 30 kgs, yes. So these are the
all products.